So here's my project I've been working on here. So we got a 5-ton Amana system. This is the ASPT air handler with the X13 motor in it. There used to be two systems up here. There used to be a little 1.5 ton sitting right here. It did this. It only did this room. I'm kind of showing you this upstairs room. All it had coming off of it for ducts was this 1.8 and 1.7. That's all it had. So we tied the return back into this 5-ton. So now it's got a 14 back here. It's got a 14 right here, and it's got a 16 going to a 20 by 25 filter grill. The other two are 20 by 20s. So it may seem like a lot of return. I'm still running 0.3 inch static in my return there. Take a look at our supply. So it made me a little angle to fit the blower outlet, and then increase to build some static in that duct. It is a spider system. We did the best I could. I really took a lot of time tying these flex lines in, trying to keep them straight as I could, organized. It is a spider system. Definitely kind of looks like a ductopus there. So let's take a look at our static reading here. So as you can see, it's bouncing around quite a bit. I'm going to call it somewhere in the neighborhood of 0.55 or so. So let's come over here to our chart. If I can get it to focus, that's better. So here's our model here. I got it on the highest speed tab. This is 0.5. So we should be right in around 2,000. 0.5 on a 5-ton unit. That's not bad. It's hard to do. I'll show you guys. The air is going very, very fast in this plenum. I have my probe there. So let me unplug the return. And you guys can see that that is the side that's fluctuating. That's a sign of, I don't know if I'd call it turbulence, but it's really high velocity. When you see it bouncing around like that, the return's pretty steady. Return's pretty steady there. Alright, so that's how I like to set my units up. Now if this is a variable speed, I usually don't check the static on every variable speed job I do. But these, when you gotta kind of check the static to even know where to set the fan, I will go ahead and check it here. So we're doing another tightly sized house here. Conditioning about 3,500 square feet with this 5-ton unit. Here's a shot of our Amana 14 SEER condenser. 5 tons, big boy. Still got my gauges hooked up to it. Actually, This is just measuring the ambient. I don't have that hooked up. So it's about 52 degrees out. And I've been kind of switching it back and forth to cooling and blocking the fan. And even though my suction seems a little low for the temperature outside, but my indoor temp is still about 60 degrees, so I'm thinking that may come up. My condensing temp looks pretty good. Check out what we did here though. So let me move these gauges for a second. So you can see right here, got a 1/2 inch liquid line on the old 5-ton, and so since we took out another unit, we went ahead and used this unit's 3/8 liquid line. So I don't know. I know that kind of looks a little interesting there. Don't you think, guys? But yeah, it worked. It worked pretty good. So she's definitely got good airflow. She's definitely not oversized now either. Like, subscribe, comment below. I'd like your guys' input. I've been looking at some GoPros to try and get some more footage of me actually working rather than just these end product videos. So I haven't quite decided if I really need to get the $300 GoPro Hero, I don't know, 3 or 4, whatever the newer one is, or just get the, I think it's the GoPro Hero. Looks like I can get that for a little cheaper. I don't know. Or, you know, Steven and Emin, I know you guys have the Sonys. Just looking for something that's got good battery life. It looks like the GoPros only give you about an hour, so I'd be interested in how do you shoot the whole day there, Steven? Do you have multiple batteries and stuff, or multiple memory cards? Give me some advice, and I really appreciate it, guys. Alright, catch you on the next one.